Start at 35 on 77 minutes. Hey, how y'all doing?
How are you, sir?
You mind rolling the back window down? I can't see in the back. Oh, hey, how y'all doing? If you all could just do me a favor, make sure your hands, I can see all y'all's hands, okay? So, I'm probably let's slide it. I'm gonna go ahead and take him out. Quick question, do you have a medical marijuana card?
Sir, I don't answer any questions, sir.
Okay, step out of the vehicle for me.
I can show you
Step out of the vehicle for me. Do not reach behind your back.
I'm not reaching behind
Step
my back.
out of the vehicle.
Reaching for your weapon.
Because you reached behind your back when I told you to step out of the car. Step out of the car, do it now. Step out of the car, do it now.
I got my...
Step out of the car when I tell you to.
I'm fit to, sir.
Hey, you're gonna do it now.
You know who I am, sir. You know who I am. Stop it. Listen, sir. I'm a brother, sir. I can show you my identification. Keep both your hands up, just like you're doing now.
Hey,
you understand me?
Pull your gun out.
I got a weapon on me, sir.
I know you got one.
Yeah.
Hey, stop!
Pull your gun out. Hey,
Stop!
Sir,
stop.
put your hands up now, sir. Put your hands up, sir. Sir, you got me right here, sir.
Get on the ground. HQ. Shots fired. We're at Dunn and Lem Turner. We got one running eastbound on, keep it on him. Eastbound on Dunn Avenue.
shots fired. Right there, left turn. We got one running eastbound. Can't keep going. Eastbound on Dunn Avenue. 1067. Got one down.
Turn around. Go.
I'm passing Lem Turner.
Do not move. You understand me?
Keep your eyes on him. I'm coming right down the road.
Okay.
Hey, that other one ran that way.
All right, we're going to handcuff you. Do not move or make any sudden statements. Do not reach for that gun if you do anything. Do not move.